Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the camera and cards. Charge the Hero 10 above 50% because updates can fail on low power. Once done, back up all footage from the micro SD to your computer so nothing is lost. Make sure the SD has the correct GoPro folder structure and at least a couple gigabytes free because the update file needs space. Then, decide whether you'll update via Wi-Fi or by copying the file to the SD. Each method matters for reliability. You now execute the update itself. If using Wi-Fi, pair the camera with the GoPro Quick app and follow the on-screen install prompts. This is easier for most users and verifies files automatically. If using the SD method, copy the firmware update folder to the card root, safely eject, then insert into the camera. Power the camera on and watch for the update prompt. Let the camera install without interruption, because powering off mid-install can corrupt the system. You finish by letting the camera fully restart. Once it boots, go to Preferences and confirm the firmware version matches the release number. This validates the process. After verification, reformat the micro SD in the camera to clear temporary update files and restore performance. If something goes wrong, try the SD method again using a freshly formatted card or perform a factory reset before retrying. These steps clear corrupted update remnants and often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.